Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will break down for you how you can utilize the clone tool in your projects and photos on Photopea. So let us get started right away. Head over to your image or photo and let's assume, for example, I would like to clone the setup or the patterns of that walk here, and that way, for instance, apply it to other parts or objects of that image, for example, to remove various objects or items. So let me guide you through this. It is very simple. What you want to do first, guys, is select this option here at the top, transform controls, and after that choose your clone tool. You will find it on the left sidebar here under clone tool. You may also use the shortcut S for that, so let me select it. And what you want to do after that, guys, is select your brush size and the brush type. To do that, click on that arrow down icon in the top left corner and adjust your brush size. So let me go with a pretty thick or a large brush for the sake of this tutorial, around 300 px. And after that, select also your brush type below. So let me go with a hard round or with a soft round, just like that. What you want to do after that, guys, is left click where you'd like to select or choose a sample of, let's say, for example, of that walk here, and press K on your keyboard, just like that. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to apply that pattern or that sample to any other parts of your image. So let me go, for example, with that part here. So let me apply that pattern, and as you can see, that's how the clone tool works in practice, guys. As you can see, now we see that pattern here with that walk, and that object has been removed. And you may apply that also for other parts of your image, as you can see. So let me remove, for instance, that part here, and that's basically it. That's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.